Not only in villages but also in towns and cities, this dish is made in each and every household of Tamil Nadu. Hey folks, welcome back to CountNCook. This is Satwik the Suvarna. So let's make this delicious traditional dish, and if you like the video, you know what to do. Give this video a like and also share it with your friends. Without any further ado, let's begin the cooking. Into a pressure cooker like this goes one chopped Mangalore cucumber or yellow cucumber. For better understanding, this is called Thouthe in Tulu and Southekai in Kannada. Now goes half cup of sprouted Indian beans or avade. To sprout this avade or avarekaalu, soak it for a day, drain the water out and rest it for another day in a refrigerator. 2 teaspoons of salt goes in at this stage and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Extract juice from one lemon-sized tamarind and that juice goes in here entirely. A lemon-sized jaggery goes into. Now goes a teaspoon of red chili powder. To cook you need some moisture, so pour in a cup or 2 of water, don't pour in too much. Pressure cook for 3 whistles. For roasting the spices, heat up a wok like this, and when the wok heats up, here goes approximately 20 ml of coconut oil. When the oil heats up, goes a tablespoon of chana dal and saute. A tablespoon of urad dal goes in and continue sauteing. Half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. A teaspoon of mustard seeds. Exactly 8 badgi red chilies. A sprig of curry leaves. A tablespoon of coriander seeds. Finally, a teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the flavors of aromatic spices engulfs your kitchen, off goes the flame and cool it down completely. Once cooled down, transfer them into a blended jar like this. Now goes half coconut shredded. By using water as required for blending, blend into a smooth paste like this. After 3 whistles and after letting the steam off, here goes the ground masala entirely. Give it a mix and turn on the stove. Add rinsed water from the same jar masala was previously ground in and mix again. We need to add some more of the water. Let's quickly make a tempering now. For that, heat up the same wok spices were roasted in, need not wash it. Here goes approximately 30 ml of coconut oil. When the oil heats up, goes a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds crackle, goes a tablespoon of urad dal. 2 sprigs of curry leaves and 2 badgi red chilies cut into wedges. Since avade or Indian beans are gaseous in nature, we need to add appetizer, a little bit of appetizer paste. Since the tempering is ready, off goes the flame and transfer the tempering into the simmering gravy. Check for the taste now and add salt accordingly. You can also add some chopped cilantro at this stage if you have at home. Nothing else, off goes the flame. Hey, traditional Tamil Nadu dish that's made in cities and villages of Tamil Nadu is ready to try this recipe out at home and let us know how it turned out. For more such interesting recipes like this, please stay tuned. Until then, ciao, goodbye, take care, Solmelo.